Hello guys, this is Boggy, and this is kind of going to be the tutorial for Samurai. Wait, let me just get this a bit out of the way. I noticed that many of you guys have not yet learned exactly what's the best way, like completely the best way to attack Samurai. This also applies to nomads, and my internet is shit, so let's go to Ghost Goal. And yeah, it's my internet is like a potato right now, so actually let me just so let's say we're going to attack this samurai camp. Have an espionage on it, you spy whatever, and you look at the troops. Let's say, okay, 20 bowmasters here, 13 here, 11 here. You pretty much don't care about the katana warriors, you just ignore them. Okay, 20, 13. Okay, I'll be attacking these two because this one has the least, you want the most. Okay, so 20 and 13, not 11. Here we also remember that this is one of the tools we'll be getting rid of, so it will be minus 50%, and so we will therefore change our use of tools. So let's select the attack menu, Ghost Goal, yes, and first wave of course is going to be clearing wave. Again, I'm saying that I'm attacking on the ones that have the most ranged, 20 and 13. I'm attacking on these two sides, I'm not attacking on all three, only on the two that have the most ranged soldiers. I would also recommend setting up the best ranged commander, because that will also really benefit you in your attack. So you put the one on each, pretty much. You don't put any tools or anything. Second wave is pretty much, I don't know which ones I want to put. Let's go with these 10. Since we're putting less of these here, I'm gonna put stronger troops there. So this and that. Yeah, okay. And 20 of these here. Wait, these folks, these grandpas. That will also get pretty useful. That and yeah, whatever, just a few of those. Okay, so you set up the attack. Notice how I just set up only ranged attackers. No melee, not a single one, not one. All ranged. Okay, that's for your second wave. Since I have only 3 and a lower level, I get only 3. But if you're a higher level, like 45 plus or something, you will need 2 of the defense tool cleaning waves. So instead of the second one for you guys who are 45 level and above, you will need another 2 of these guys. And so let's get to level wave 3. Also, I would rather stick with mostly ranged attackers, but I think you can put on some more attackers if you feel like it. Usually my plan is to just do that. And so let's move on to the tools. We're going to be using tools only in the first like actual wave where the troops are going to be attacking, so not this one but this one. And we see that it's 120 pretty much, so that will be an equal of 24 of these, or 8 of shield walls, or I think like 12 of the iron mantlets, which I don't have because bad luck Brian. So 8 of those, which makes 120 exactly, pretty much what we need. We cannot make it less because they will have a bonus and we need exactly 0%. So now let's move on to the wall. Wait, what am I doing? 3 of those will be enough, which will make it 30. It's 21. We can't leave a single percent. I don't really like doing that, so okay, now moving on to here. 10%, 30, and 120. So one of those will make it 10. Yeah, and this is 9. 21. 3 of those, which leaves me with perfectly enough space for 24 mantlets, because why the fuck not? And that's pretty much how you set it up. Remember to choose the commander with the best ranged bonus. Like, I know this one is weak, but I don't really have ranged equipment, so attack it. I'll select food because I'm hungry as fuck. And I guess this is just to wait. I also have a few here that I selected from like a few hours ago that because pretty much I learned this from Drewster for like 5-6 hours ago, so some of these attacks are pretty nice. The first one was not so well. Second, 4 losses, it's amazing. 7 losses, it's great. Like, yeah. 3 losses, also great. 5 losses, guys. It's pretty basic, I guess. It's going to be really useful for you guys. Last attack, I think, was 15. Well, that sucks, I guess. And so yes, I'm going to pause the video right here and continue when the attack comes. As you can see, the attack is coming in about 30 seconds, and we're just going to wait a bit. You can see I'm getting this kind of backup plan if in case my dad comes into the room, because I'm not really allowed to play any type of game, which kind of sucks. You know, Boggy's sad life. And yeah, so about a few more seconds and we'll get the report. Yeah, I'll just wait for it here. As you can see, I already won, got some rewards, yay. And yeah, so pretty much 10 attackers lost, which is pretty stable. Of course, the first 2 counts, so pretty much I lost 8, not 10. And so yeah, see, I lost a few of each, so it doesn't mean that I lost like 8 of these and then like nothing of that, so like I get like less stronger troops. It's pretty stable, I guess, which is a nice thing. And also it got some rare stuff, food, coins. I don't get much of stone anyway, so yes, that's pretty much going to be it. And yes, Desolator is right. Desolator is life. Use mantlets as well, he's correct. This is going to be it for the tutorial on how to attack samurai in nomads, because pretty much the same rules apply to nomads as well, even though I did not show you guys an example with nomads. Okay, whatever, you know what I'm saying. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you guys out and that you appreciate the video. Thank you.